Thank you, Lord, for another day, another grand welcome sa day 26.
Guys, ilabas nyo na yung yung 2x2.
Rock both worlds. Hey, I'm Nat. I'm on a mission chasing a crazy dream to build a startup that hits a 1 billion in sales. The catch? 90% of my time is locked into real-world responsibilities and just 10% fuels the dream. But that 10%, that's where the magic begins. And you're coming with me, and let's make it happen. Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Lord, for another day, another grand welcome sa day 26. Sa daily vlog natin, nandito tayo sa labas ngayon. Kasama ko si fiancé. Doon na kami sa labas ng sober, magpipray kami, and then mag-gym kami later. Let's go.
Guys, ilabas nyo na yung yung 2x2. Boss, labas mo na, boss. 2x2, boss. 2x2. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Nandito tayo Sober Asian Kitchen ngayon. Magkakaroon lang tayo ng little update regarding sa mga strategy na gagawin natin sa Sober. Actually, yung pangalan ng sect natin is Sober Beverage Corp. I mean, yung company natin. So, nasa retail talaga tayo. And na-update ko na nga kayo na flavored sparkling water na yung papasukin natin. And I just want to give you an update or yung strategy na gagawin natin. Papakita ko sa inyo is isang illustration. Kita ba, boss? Medyo hindi kita, no? O, basta ganyan. Ito, guys, is yung satisfaction. Ito is 10 out of 10. Tapos ito naman is more on sa health. Okay? So itong health na to, itong satisfaction to, usually ito yung mga soda. Okay? Kasi pag inom mo talaga soda, mapapaburp ka. Sarap talaga eh, tama? So satisfaction and flavored wise soda. Ang health naman is ilalagay natin dito yung sparkling flavored water. Bakit ko nasabi yon? Kasi usually, ang mga flavor ng flavored water, sparkling flavored water, are mga fruits. Kasi gusto nila ipakita na natural, gusto nila ipakita na healthy. Okay? Pero, ang gagawin natin sa Sober is iba. Ang strategy ng Sober is, I want you to taste it like, to drink it like it is something familiar but evolved. Okay? But evolved. Something familiar but evolved. Apat na flavor ang gagawin natin is butterscotch, cola flavor, lime flavor, at royal. Pag titignan mo closely kung ano yung mga flavor na it is something familiar with you. Ano yun? Butterscotch is yung butter beer. Yun ang gusto kong pag ininom mo sober, ito yung butter beer sa maginhawa nun ah. Pangalawa, cola, alam nyo na yan. Lime, Sprite, orange, something royal. Para pag ininom mo, it is something familiar, pero hindi siya soda. It flavored sparkling water with more on healthy sides. Kumbaga, actually ayoko isipin nyo to na alternative eh. I want you to think it is an upgrade. It is not just an alternative, it is an upgrade. May update ako later on, pero minimake sure ko kasi kung ano pa yung ilalagay ko eh. Pero yun na lang muna. So, ang mangyayari kasi dyan is both soda and flavored sparkling water, napakalaking market yan. Pero mas malaki kasi market nito. Saan tayo pupwesto? Dito tayo sa gitna, mga brother. Mga tol, sober, dyan tayo pupwesto. Na kung saan, we're gonna create a new market segment. Hindi tayo makikompete kay soda, magdamagan. Ang hirap ng competition dyan. Hindi rin tayo makikompete dito sa health. We're gonna compete here. Na kung saan, we're gonna disrupt both worlds. We're gonna disrupt the soda industry and we're gonna disrupt the flavored sparkling water. And hopefully, makapag-create tayo ng new market segment o tinatawag na blue ocean. Hopefully, nasundan niyo ako, guys. Sobrang passionate ako sa ginagawa ko. But it is what it is. So, sana na-deliver ko ng maayos. Sila lang muna ang update natin for tonight. If you have a big dream, protect it, feed it, even just a little every day. Once again, my name is Nat, and I'm sober. Cheers! Woohoo!